No one wants to be around a poisonous person because you are not going to help them at the end of the day. So sis, if that's you, if these are some of the traits that you do, please, please, please change them.
I should've known better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. On the brain all the time, thinking about the things that we did.
Hello, welcome to Bundle of Bree. How y'all doing? It's yours truly, Brittany. What? What did he say? Oh, you like my hair? Thank you, thank you. What? Did I use bleach? No. We don't do bleach over here. I'm sorry, baby. You want to know how I got it this light, though? If you do, go check in the description box below. There's a link showing you the products that I use to get it this light. No bleach, yes. Cute little hairstyle. I mean, to get it light like this, it took a little bit of bleach, but we still popping over here. Curls still popping, yes. Okay, now let's get back into the video. But baby, thank you for the compliment. Thank you. For more information about this hair, go in the description box and you'll see a video about it. Please go check out that video. And whoever else want to know about it, go check it out. In today's video, we are going to be talking about 9 signs of a toxic person. Yes. We all can control our happiness. We all can be happy. If we are toxic, sis, fix that. A toxic is a poison. A toxic is harmful. Nobody wants to be around a harmful, a poisonous person. No one wants to be around that. So baby, do not be a negative, be a positive. Yes, okay, so stay tuned and please enjoy this video. Oh, thank you for the 185 that I have. We're on a road to 200 subscribers. If you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. I'm gonna give you a little bit of time. I mean, while y'all subscribing, let's get into this hair real quick. Yes, nice little color, you feel me? Not too much, not too little, and got the little pin. Yes. How y'all like it? Let me know in the comment below. Let me know how y'all like it. Yes, and if y'all want to do it too, y'all can. And I have little instructions on how to do it. Okay. I gave y'all enough time to go subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for joining this team. Thank you for joining this journey. And we are on a road to 200. We all know that one toxic person. That toxic person that is extremely negative, extremely unsupportive, extremely jealous, extremely this, extremely that. That person is so annoying. Nobody likes that person. That person is gonna end up lonely because that person is so toxic. That could even be you. You never know. Everybody has a little bit of toxic in them. So, but honey, I'm here to read to you the 9 signs of a toxic person. So be aware, be alert, and just watch out for all your surroundings. You understand? Do not let these toxic people into your life because you can control your happiness, and these people are not going to bring you happiness. So baby girl, let me tell you. If I'm looking down, I'm looking at my note cards because I had some notes and stuff like that. So I wanted to give you guys all of the information. So that's why I have others. If a person cannot be happy for someone else's success, like they feel jealous, they feel as if, oh, why couldn't it be me? They cannot like support one another, they cannot be good, they cannot encourage someone and tell them good job, they're a toxic person. Number 2, if a person is self-centered, like judgmental, very jealous, this, that, and the third, they're a toxic person. Nobody can judge except our Lord Jesus Christ. You understand? Except him. Nobody's perfect, so nobody can judge. Number 3. If you believe everything you do is a competition and you are determined to be better than someone else, of course, when I say you are determined to be better than someone else, that is a good thing. But when you're constantly belittling someone else, constantly decreasing someone else, you understand? Like constantly downplaying him, you understand? Downplaying her. Basically, you won't recognize them for their achievement, and you are blatantly just discrediting them, just telling them, oh, that wasn't nothing. Instead of saying good job, you're like, oh, you could have did better. That was nothing. Anybody could do that. That is not encouraging that person, and of course you're discouraging that person, so that makes you a toxic person. In 2020, all we're doing here is positivity. Support 2020, you feel me? 2020 is already going downhill with this coronavirus. It just came out like boom, you feel me? So sis, we gotta uplift others. You understand? We have to uplift others, encourage others. We cannot be toxic. We cannot. We're not gonna get anywhere in life at all. Number 4. If you are always picking fights or arguments just to get your way, you are toxic. At the end of the day, you feel as if you have to blackmail someone. You feel as if you have to basically put them down in order to get your way, in order to feel good about yourself. Baby girl, you're negative. Baby girl, you're toxic, and no one wants to be around a toxic person. Toxic is basically poisonous. No one wants to be around a poisonous person because you are not going to help them at the end of the day. So sis, if that's you, if these are some of the traits that you do, please, please, please change them. If you cannot give out positivity, when I say positivity, I mean positive energy, I mean like positive advice, help others, treat people how you want to be treated. Okay, when someone comes to you with their problem, be a problem solver. If someone comes to you with an issue that they have, they come to you as a friend, and you being their friend, of course, you're going to try to be that problem solver. You're going to try to tell them, this is what you could have did, this is what you shouldn't have done. Give them some positive feedback, you understand, so they can go and do something positive out there, you understand, and not negative. Do not be a toxic person and give them so much negative stuff and tell them all this negative stuff, oh, blah, blah, blah. You don't, no, honey, no. I'm telling you, do not be toxic. Please give out good advice. If you cannot give good advice, just be like, just tell them everything will be okay. Pray about it. At the end of the day, in prayer, you'll find all your answers. You'll find all your answers. Just pray. If you cannot give no other advice, always leave them with, like, for them to pray. That's it. Okay, number 6. A toxic person will not accept their faults. They will not. They always blame others for their problems. and stuff like that. They feel like they don't need to take responsibility for their actions. Everybody, we're all grown. We're all grown. We're not little babies. We have to deal with the consequences. If we do something, at the end of the day, we have to deal with the consequences that comes after. A toxic person is egotistical. When I say egotistical, like I was about to say comfy. Comfy is Creole. And when I say comfy, it's like. So, egotistical person is a person that they feel like they cannot accept any other thoughts, any other people's things, any other people's ideas, any other thoughts, any other sayings that don't correlate with how they feel. They feel like that person is wrong, and they are not gonna take that person's thoughts or advice or anything of that person, because they feel like they are right, and they feel like what that person is saying does not correlate with what they're thinking, what they want to say, you feel me? Because they feel like that person should always agree with what they say. They feel like they're perfect, and they feel like they're the smartest person in the world, and they feel like they don't need any advice. That person is egotistical. That person is toxic. Please, if you know someone like that, or if you are someone like that, please change. And if someone else is like that, please tell that person to change. And if they're not, control your happiness. And you know how to control your happiness. We're on 8. I'm trying to make this video a little not too long. So, a toxic person does not strive to be better. Okay, when I say strive to be better, like the person is so lazy. The person feels as if they're perfect. Everything in the world is peaches and cream. Like they feel like they're not gonna hit any obstacles in life. They feel like they're just living on a cloud. It's not like that. Baby girl, put some effort into making tomorrow better than today. You understand? If you're on your bed today, lazy, going to sleep, whatever this and the third, tomorrow look for something to do. Look for something else to do so you can get your life together. So you can prepare for tomorrow. When I say prepare for tomorrow, so you can be successful. And this time right now, quarantine, there's so many things you can do. Eat better. Do your hair. You can learn new things. Baby girl, I'm trying to tell you. Number 9. Let me see if I have 10 here. No, I don't. So this one's the last one. You are often dishonest with others. Regardless of what you're lying about. Nobody is going to be able to trust you. Nobody's going to want to trust you because they think of you as a liar. You're a compulsive liar. And basically, that lies will always come back. Well, I think back. I'm sorry.
Plus.
I said that, right? No, he says bike. Okay. Well, lies will always come back and bite you in the butt. You feel me? So the truth always comes out in the light. Also, it does not matter if you feel like this lie is gonna hurt somebody. Just tell them the truth. Just tell them the truth at the end of the day. Tell them the truth. It's better to be an honest person than to be a liar. Because with the honest person, anybody can trust you. You feel me? Do not be a liar. You being a liar makes you toxic. You being a liar is negative. You feel me? It's a negative. So all these negative traits that I told you today, honey boo, if this is you or you know somebody that's like this, tell that person, They not messing with you. They not friends with you. Control your happiness. Control your happiness and control the people in your surroundings. These toxic people do not need to be in your surroundings. Baby girl, yes. So that's it for my 9 signs of a toxic person. And if you are toxic, baby girl, you need to change it. And if you know somebody that's toxic, that person needs to change, or you just need to keep it pushing. Go make another friend. Be positive. Do not let negative people be around you, because the negative love company and they're gonna turn you into a negative. I'm trying to tell you, baby girl. So please, if you like this video, please show me love. Please comment some more toxic traits that you guys know that I did not say in this video. Please let me know in the comment section below. And also, please subscribe. We're on a road to 200 and we'll make it there for sure. So thank you, and have a nice day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.
The way you in love with me, you can't get enough of me, yeah. Well, I guess it's looking like you stuck with me, 'cause I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time, you don't need no me time. That's you and me time, we be getting so loud.